Clear your clutter to make more money. It is definitely the cleansing law of prosperity that Catherine Ponder talks about, and today we're going to dive into it. So let's get started. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dana Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention, which is a whole method, and School of Feng Shui, which is based on infinite possibility, creative awakening, and your specific intentions, what you want to accomplish, what you want to achieve, what you want to have, what you want to experience in all ways. And your intention gets more activated in clear space. And what do I mean by that? If you're in a really cluttered room, if you're in a really cluttered office and you really want to do something, you could feel the physical resistance to being able to get it done, right? You're like, oh, everything's so much harder than it needs to be. I don't know where to begin. And so that's one big major example of that. But just in daily life, if you've got a lot going on in your mind, a lot going on around you, things are in disarray, or they're not organized, or things have piled up, or there's unfinished projects, it can be very hard to set an intention and feel, like truly feel like it's absolutely going to beam out into the universe and manifest, to feel like you could take the actions without any sort of resistance. So clutter clearing on a very basic level removes resistance from your life, and it helps your intention to be more strong and clear and all of those things. Now, to take it to the next level, when we're talking about clearing clutter to make more money manifest, to have abundance pouring in, this happens on many levels. Yes, it will, when you clear clutter, release that resistance, and it'll make things easier to focus. You'll feel more powerful. You'll feel your concentration growing. But also, on so many other energetic levels, when you let go of the things you don't need, or as Catherine Ponder says in her many lectures about prosperity and books about prosperity, when you let go of the lesser, you make room for the greater good. She also says that when you let go of clutter, you create all this empty space, and nature abhors a vacuum. What does that mean? Nature abhors a vacuum. Here's a great example of this. Have you ever gotten a bookshelf and it's big and it's amazing, and you put your books on it and you still have plenty of space, and then you realize within a few months that you have accumulated from all directions so many books that you didn't ever anticipate having. But now that you have the space, they kind of rush into your life from every direction. Or if you got a new purse that's bigger, all of a sudden you have all this new stuff that winds up in the purse. It doesn't just stay empty. Very often we will fill the spaces that we have, because nature abhors a vacuum. We want to bring things in to fill all this space. Now, the key here is to be deliberate about what we're letting in, so you're not making space and then letting all sorts of junk into your life. So when we clear clutter with Feng Shui, and guys, the free Feng Shui video series, all full of decluttering on every level, energetic, clearing the actual clutter, understanding how to bring intention to your space in super powerful ways that activate your intention and help you to manifest more, is below, and it's starting really soon if it hasn't already started yet by the time you watch this video. And it will guide you through the process of making this clear space that is a vacuum sucking abundance into your life. So let's get deliberate here. When you start clearing clutter, you're letting go of the lesser. So you're opening up for this greater good to come flying into your life. Get really clear on what you want. What money do you want to manifest? What opportunities? What things do you want? And clear clutter with joy, knowing that all those things are coming into your life, because that is what tends to happen. In fact, things that you never could have anticipated can come into your life when you let go of stuff that's been taking up room in your life and bandwidth in your mind and room in your energy field. When you're letting things go, it is that profound. Even if you're letting go of old papers, junk in drawers, all sorts of things you might think, what does this have to do with anything? Energetically, you are making space, and that space will bring into your life more of what you want. So again, as I said, when you clear clutter, your intention becomes stronger. Get clear on what it is that you want and start making room to bring it in. Now, Catherine Ponder in her books and her lectures has given so many vibrant examples of this cleansing law of prosperity. The idea that when you clean things out, when you declutter them, when you let things go, you literally are going to bring into your life in so many ways prosperity from all directions. It's a huge way to open the doors to more money. Now, people like Susie Orman have said that clutter tends to equal clutter in your finances as well, and also recommends decluttering your home, decluttering your life to enhance your prosperity. They're not the only ones. I have seen literally time and time again, when people start letting things go, you find money, you run into money, things pop up you totally didn't realize you had, investments you didn't realize you had. You wouldn't believe the things that you can uncover as you deeply get into this declutter. So in addition to all that, when you start decluttering, you are also taking charge of your environment, and it is very much in tune with taking charge of more aspects of your life. When you're decluttering your space, you're saying, I'm not settling for this, I want this instead. So that's a time where you can say, I'm leveling up in all aspects of my life. When you change your environment, you will indeed change your life. That's one of the fundamental tenets of Feng Shui. And when you level up in terms of creating clear space and getting rid of things that are expired, that you don't like, that are worn out, that don't match you, that annoy you, that are unfinished, that desperately need to be repaired, that need to go someplace else because they have bad memories. When you eliminate that, you expand the container of your life to such a degree that you can contain even more prosperity than perhaps before you started decluttering. So not only is this wonderful for activating more things coming into your life, for opening the doors to more coming in, for vacuuming and sucking these things into your life in amazing ways. Not only are you doing all of that by clearing clutter, but to take it to the next level, you are expanding your life so that you can hold more energy, more money, because money is energy. So I'm very serious about this on every level. Clearing is not just physical clearing. In the Catalyst Camp, we do deep energetic clearing, deep life clearing, deep emotional clearing, deep clearing of old habits, clearing on every level of life you could possibly imagine. And as you do that, as you deliberately really think out what you want in every aspect of life and let go of the stuck stuff and the roadblocks and the stagnation and all of these things, you're opening up to so much abundance pouring in. So again, below you'll find the free Feng Shui decluttering video series. Dive in and do it while it's up. Set yourself up for a soaring time ahead where all the roads are open and you could just start decluttering today. Open up a drawer, clear it out, feel that satisfaction, take that win, and really be intentional about this. You are so super powerful, and the more you create space for you to shine, the more amazing things are going to come flooding into your life. If you have questions, comments, leave them below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This is something you can definitely team up with people that you know and make this such a more fun and easy and rewarding process. And I am wishing you all the clear space ahead. This entire channel is full of videos to help you to clear negative energy, wake up your creativity, manifest all the things that you want, live with more love, and so much more. So have fun exploring, and I will see you soon. Bye.